Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. We are showing you this brand new modern house and lot for sale located in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. This is near SM Talabastagan and Angeles City. This property has a lot area of 240 square meters, 256 square meters of floor area. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, staff room, living area, dining area, service kitchen, balcony, pool provision, 2 carport, and it's priced at 19 million pesos. If you're interested, contact us for viewing. So, as we can see, the facade of the house, very modern design with a mixture of metal and wood claddings. Very nice. This is your automated gate for your 2-car garage. And of course, this is your pedestrian gate. By the way, na maganda rin ang pagkaka-landscape dito sa labas, lalo na sa loob. Let's go. As we enter from the street level, may mga steps tayo going to the main door. And to my left, this is your 2-car carport. Very nice yung size niya. It can fit 2 big cars. This gate is your access to your service area. We'll go to that later. Very nice. Okay. Well lighted din siya with outlets and water faucet doon. On this side naman, you have a pocket garden. Very nicely landscaped ang ating pocket garden. Hanggang sa gilid yan. Excuse lang natin, meron pa tayong scaffolding no, kasi very, very brand new itong bahay na to. Ayan. May mga light din tayo dito sa wall natin. Okay? And napansin ko tong stone design na ginamit dito for the detail sa front natin and wooden design naman sa ceiling. Okay? We have a very large pivot door na wooden. And let's go in. As we enter, we have a space right here for your living area. Open layout lang siya. Come in. Then, pagtuloy natin dito, we have your dining table right here. 6-seater dining table with a very nice light fixture up above the ceiling. Nice curtains also. And of course, your beautiful formal kitchen. Very nice. You have a counter right here. Tons of storage around. You have your oven, your range and your range hood, your sink, and of course, your 2-door refrigerator na branded. Okay? Even underneath the counter, we have tons of storage. So, marireduce natin yung mga clutter. Plus, we have pull-outs for your dishes and kitchen stuffs. Alright? So, before we enter other parts of the house, I'll show you this space. Kasi ito maganda to. Na space for your sitting area dito sa labas pag magre-relax ka lang in the afternoon. And ito, you can leave it as is or you can make a pool. Kasi malawak dito eh. Oh. Tignan nyo yung space niya. Pwede kayo maglagay ng pool or kaya playground ng mga bata. It's up to you guys. Alright? And, to first time natin gagawin, sa likod ng house, makikita natin yung maganda rin yung view kasi meron tayong balcony dyan sa taas. Okay? Tapos guys, kung makikita nyo yung, yung flow ng hangin sa mga leaves natin, presko tong area na to. Ayan. Kaya, kumbaga, makakapag-relax na talaga when you go home. Let's go back in. On the ground floor, what's good about this is, napansin ko lang din, high ceiling siya. we have a bedroom right here sa ground floor. So, check natin yung first bedroom dito sa house natin, sa ground floor. As we enter, di ba, makikita natin, your bed will go right here. You have cabinets right here. Ayan, tons of storage. Ayan. At ang maganda dyan, may drawers na rin siya. Ayan. Soft, ano pala siya? Soft closing. And of course, we have this barn door right here. That is your spacious, guys. Take note, spacious toilet and bath. Malawak siya, guys. Hindi, compared to the other houses na nakikita natin online, ito, ang ganda ng height, ang ganda rin ng space. We have our shower here, shampoo niche. We have our toilet and our sink. Plus, may vanity and more storage dito for your stuffs, di ba? And I think lighted din siya. Let me just, ayun, may switch siya dito. So when you're preparing for your day, napakaganda. Okay? Nice. Paglabas mo ng first bedroom, meron tayong door dito going to your service area. So, bago ka makalabas ng service area, you have a pantry space right here. Okay? Dito yung mga groceries mo. Complete na rin with pull-outs, guys. So, hindi ka na mag-a-add, no? Ayan. Ganda niya. Then you have open shelvings right here before you go out sa inyong service area. And check this out, guys. Yung service area, covered siya. Plus, may mga, anong tawag dito? Skylight. Skylight ang tawag dyan. So, may skylights for natural lighting, di ba? Itong door na to, this is your staff room plus my own bathroom yan. Dito naman yung washer natin malalagay. Washer, dryer, dito yan. Tapos, this gate leads out to the garage. Okay. So, when you have groceries, diretso ka agad sa service area. You have your sink dito and your counter for your daily cooking. And, correction, pwede rin pala dito ang washer niyo. Kasi meron na siyang provision for outlets and water. Same lang din doon. If you have multiple washers, why not, di ba? Tapos ito namang area na to, going back to the open space doon sa likod ng bahay. Ang ganda kasi may skylight. Tapos guys, may breeze blocks din for ventilation. Presko. Presko siya. Okay? Let's go back in. Oh, storage pa dito. Oh. Diba? Let's go back in. By the way, this door is baliktaran siya, guys. May tawag dito eh. Can you comment down below kung anong tawag? Kasi pwede mo siyang i-open pa ganun. Pag papunta ka dito, pwede rin patulak doon. Okay? Very nice. One more look sa ating living area, dining area, and kitchen. Very, very nice. Tapos, ang ganda ng mga ginamit na furniture. Bagay na bagay siya. Sa area naman na to, we have this wall na may wooden PVC cladding. Plus, a smart use of space because yung ilalim ng stairs natin, may storage tayo. Nandito yung breaker din natin. Plus storage. Plus storage. Plus more storage. And this is your powder room. Even the powder room is very spacious. Diba? You have your toilet and a urinal for your visitors, no? And sink. You have a mirror. Very well lighted. Ang ganda. Okay? Now let's check the second floor. Okay, yung stairs natin is made out of wood. Maganda rin yung size niya, yung lapad niya maganda. We have a sturdy handrail right here with glass. A big window right here. Guys, it's almost noon. Ang ganda ng tama ng ilaw sa bahay. Then upon landing, you have here your family room. Okay? Dito pwede mag-chill yung family, di ba? You will place your TV right here. You have a console right here. Pwedeng L-shaped sofa, di ba? Very nice storage. Ito oh. Ako na-imagine ko dito, pwede kayo maglagay ng coffee machine dito or bar for the family. Okay? Now, let's go to the first bedroom on the second floor. Guys, ito guys, kanina, napagkamalan ko itong master bedroom kasi malaki siya at mukhang master bedroom. So, let's go in. Even the second floor is high ceiling. Nakita nyo naman yung tangkad ng door. I'm 5'5". Look. Come in. Pagpasok, you have a nice space dito. I think the bed will go right here. Your TV will go this part. No? You have a desk. Cabinets. Sobrang thoughtful ng paggawa ng bahay na to. Napag-isipang mabuti. And more cabinets. Imagine that. Okay? Plus, windows, syempre para presko. And your spacious toilet and bath. Okay? Partially enclosed. You have your shower. Ang ganda rin ng drain niya. This is the modern type of drain. You have a shampoo niche, toilet, sink, and vanity. Very nice. Marami pa storage sa taas. Okay. Then, you close it like so. Okay. Let's go to the next bedroom. And by the way, na-appreciate ko rin na may ceiling fan kasi on colder days like this month, January, pwedeng mag-ceiling fan ka na lang, open windows, preskong-presko yung bahay. Okay, next bedroom is this one. Bedroom number 2 sa second floor. Your TV will go right there. Bed here. Cabinets. By the way, air conditioning is included. You have own toilet right here. Ito, enclosed shower, toilet, and sink. Okay. Tapos, may sarili siyang balcony. Overlooking yung potentially pwede nyo maging pool area. Di ba? Ang ganda. Now, let's check the master bedroom. Okay, as we enter, makikita natin na napakalaki ng space. We have nice lighting sa ating ceiling. You have your TV console right here. Bed will go right here. This is, by the way, the front of the house. Okay? And, buti na lang, may label dito kasi ito, hidden door siya going to your master bathroom na napakalaki. Okay? You have your walk-in closet. Diba? You have his and her sink, dual sink siya with outlets. Very good yan for shavers, blowers. You have your toilet right here. And of course, your enclosed shower na napakalaki. Okay? Yan siya. High ceiling, ventilation, very nice. Just in case na kailangan mo pa ng more closet space, meron pa tayo dito, guys. Another area for your outfits or your things. Na meron ding mga drawers and all. Ang ganda nito. Then, this door naman leads to the front balcony. Na very spacious din. Ito potential to na seating area. Kasi presko guys, so yung hangin from here, nagbo-blow to here. So parang ano siya, sobrang presko. Okay, pwede ka ditong may seating area, you read your book, have your coffee right here. Tapos ito yung front ng house. Very nice. And may I just point out na this particular subdivision, number one, napansin ko, may sidewalk siya. May nag-comment kasi na yung mga subdivision daw, walang sidewalk. So this particular subdivision, may sidewalk siya. And sobrang security ang nangyari kanina. Even kami, talagang nahirapan pumasok. Tinawagan pa yung owner para makapasok kami. So I think it's a plus. Pag ganun yung village nyo, secured talaga siya. Now let's go down for the recap. This property has a lot area of 240 square meters, 256 square meters of floor area. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, staff room, living area, dining area, service kitchen, balcony, pool provision, 2 carport, and it's priced at 19 million pesos. If you're interested, contact us for viewing.